We all know that hot water is something that you don't want to live without. But upgrading and replacing your water heater can often feel like a confusing and difficult decision with a variety of options such as leasing, renting, or purchasing a unit outright. When looking into the selection process, you may find that there are some misconceptions about the advantages or disadvantages of the different options available. That's why at Reliance, we wanted to give you some information about a few of the misconceptions there are about replacing your water heater. First, it's commonly believed that you can't transfer rental equipment if you decide to sell your home. And quite simply, that's not true. When you rent from Reliance, you can easily and conveniently transfer the water heater rental to a new owner if and when you decide to sell your home. Then there's the notion that a lease-to-own program provides better value than a rental program. And we understand the idea of owning the equipment at the end of the lease sounds appealing. However, some lease-to-own programs require higher monthly payments than Reliance's rental program. You may have also heard that it's quicker and easier to buy a water heater at a local retailer. Now, some retailers do provide great service when it comes to selling you the hardware, but may outsource installation and repairs to a subcontractor, which could result in inconsistent delivery of service. This could be inconvenient and potentially expensive each time you need to deal with an issue. These costs can add up. You should consider whether these subcontractors will charge fees for services such as delivery, installation, and disposal. Also, some retailers boast of their warranty offers, but when you read into the fine print, you may learn that they cover only up to 6 years in parts and just the first year of labor. So it may be up to you to figure out which parts you need and then contact the manufacturer directly to obtain them. Finally, something that we hear a lot is that it always makes sense to own your equipment instead of renting. There are benefits of purchasing your equipment, and it makes sense for some homeowners, but keep in mind that with ownership, you'll have to pay out of pocket for the equipment, installation, as well as all of your repairs. This can not only be expensive, but also time-consuming. At the end of the day, renting from Reliance means you'll never have to worry about being without hot water. With a rental, you're investing in more than a water heater. You get to rent and forget things like warranties, parts and labor charges, because virtually everything is included as part of our rental program. It's peace of mind at an affordable monthly rate. Our rental customers also have access to our responsive 24/7, 365 live telephone support. You can also count on our large team of experienced technicians. Our growing fleet of over 600 trucks are stocked with most parts needed to repair commonly installed units. This means we can get to you and have your issue resolved as fast as the same day. So for all of your hot water needs, call on Reliance.